Hello students, my dear students, we are doing derivative. Now today we will discuss about derivative of implicit function. What is an implicit function? Any equation in the form of fxy is equal to 0. Any equation in the form of fxy is equal to 0 is called an implicit function. Suppose x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay. In such type function, either you can say equation y cannot be expressed as the directly in form of x. Either you can say value of y आपको डायरेक्ट नहीं मिलेगी x की फॉर्म में, ये मिक्सिंग होगा x एंड y का, इधर x एंड y इन मल्टीप्लाई और इन डिवाइड और इन एडिशन और इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके. Now for example, x square plus y square is equal to a square. It is the example of implicit function. Now another is x by y plus 2hxy equal to b square. Either you can say sin xy plus x is equal to y also. So all are example of implicit function. Here आपको क्या हुआ डियर स्टूडेंट, डायरेक्ट ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर समथिंग. ऐसे फंक्शन में हमें कंबाइंड डेरिवेटिव लेना होता है एंड देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल फाइंड dy by dx. Now we will start with our first example. Here x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. We need to find dy by dx. We need to find dy by dx. So we will differentiate it with respect to x. With respect to x, derivative of x square 2x. Now here derivative of y square, first 2 in multiply 1 power less. ये तो पावर से किया, अभी फंक्शन का भी करेंगे आप. देखो यहाँ तो x का डेरिवेटिव 1 हो गया, बट y का क्या होता है dy अपॉन dx और a स्क्वायर का क्या होगा 0. क्लियर. Now divide by 2 each, then x plus y square dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is x negative, y square in multiply, so in right side divide. So our dy by dx is minus x upon y square. Clear. Now we will solve some more example. Now ax plus by square equal to cos y. Ax plus by square is equal to cos y. So now we will differentiate derivative of x 1 because a is constant. Same here, b as constant. Now derivative of y square. Now 2 in multiply 1 power less. Okay. 2 in multiply 1 power less. Derivative of y. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Now derivative of cos y. You know derivative of cos theta minus sine means minus sine y, but derivative of y is dy upon dx. So our result is a plus 2by dy upon dx equal to minus sin y dy upon dx. Okay, now we will find dy by dx. तब आपको क्या करना है, dy by dx की टर्म को इकट्ठा करना है, कंबाइन करना है. इसको इधर ले आइए. 2by dy upon dx माइनस चेंज इनटू प्लस. Okay, and positive a is here, negative a. Now what is common? Dy upon dx. So our result is 2by plus sin y equal to minus a. Dy by dx is common. 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. So dy by dx is, ये जो मल्टीप्लाई में इसका ट्रांसपोज इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. 2by plus sin y. Clear? Now it is the derivative of implicit function. Now let us see next problem. Now 1 plus y square into secant x minus y cot x plus 1 is equal to x square. We will do it by using, here you can see it is first, it is second, first, second. Okay, so now first, as it is derivative of second, product rule, plus second as it is derivative of first, minus first as it is derivative of second, माइनस है आउटसाइड, सो माइनस ही लेंगे हम. ओके, बिकॉज प्रॉपर्टी में तो हमेशा क्या होता है, आप यहाँ ब्रैकेट ले लीजिए. सो फर्स्ट एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकंड प्लस सेकंड एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट. यू नो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 0 और x square 2x. Now we will solve it. 1 plus y square derivative of secant x, secant x tangent x, plus secant x as it is now derivative of 1 0 and y square 2y, y square 2y, but derivative y also, that is dy by dx, minus y as it is derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x, plus cot x as it is and derivative of y dy by dx equal to 2x. Okay, now refine it. So solve multiplication. So here 1 plus y. Now we need to separate dy by dx term and different term. Secant x plus tangent x. Here you will multiply 2y secant x dy by dx minus minus plus minus cot x dy by dx equal to 2x. Now without dy by dx term को आप ले जाइए राइट साइड, राइट में ले जाएंगे एंड हेयर dy by dx कॉमन ले लेंगे इनसे. फिर dy by dx इज कॉमन, देन यहाँ क्या रहेगा 2y secant x और यहाँ क्या रहेगा माइनस कोट x. क्लियर? 2x. नाउ Positive y cosecant is negative. Same, this part is also negative. Now we need to dy by dx. इस पार्ट को आपका ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, कहाँ चला जाएगा, डिवाइड में. सो आवर dy by dx is 2x minus y cosecant square x 1 plus y square secant x tangent x divide by 2y secant x minus cotangent x. Okay, it is the derivative of implicit function. Now let us next problem. Now cos x plus y is equal to y sin x. So you know here it is theta, angle of cos. We are doing with respect to x. So derivative of cos theta minus sin theta means minus sin x plus y, but dy by dx of x plus y also. Here product rule, first into second. So first as it is, dy by dx of second plus second as it is, dy by dx of first. Clear? Now minus sin x plus y, dy by dx of x as 1 and dy by dx of y is dy upon dx. Here y, derivative of sin x, cos x plus sin x, and derivative of y is dy upon dx. Now solve multiplications. Minus sin x plus y minus sin x plus y into dy upon dx equal to y cos x plus sin x into dy by dx. Now if dy by dx is common, so this part in this side माइनस साइन एक्स प्लस वाई, इसका ट्रांसपोज करेंगे आप, इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव, और इसका ट्रांसपोज इधर ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पे क्या है अपने पास, साइन एक्स डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स प्लस साइन एक्स प्लस वाई डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स. So here minus is common, sin x plus y cos x. Here dy by dx is common, sin x plus y. Okay. Now we need to find dy by dx. ये जो इधर आएगा तो कहाँ आएगा, ट्रांसपोज में, डिवाइड में, बिकॉज हेयर किस में है, ये मल्टीप्लाई में. So dy by dx is minus sin x plus y cos x upon sin x plus y. It is dy upon dx. So dear student, now you can solve such type problem of implicit function derivative. Now let us see next problem. Now cot xy plus xy is equal to y. You know it is implicit function. Now derivative of cot xy means derivative of cot theta minus cosecant square theta. But derivative of theta also means derivative of xy. Here you know two function x and y. it means product rule. So x as it is, derivative of y dy upon dx, y as it is, derivative of x1, and derivative of y is dy upon dx. Now here minus cosecant square xy into x as it is, derivative of y dy upon dx, y as it is, derivative of x as 1 plus x dy by dx plus y equal to dy upon dx. Now we will multiply minus x cosecant square xy into dy by dx minus plus minus y cosecant square xy plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to dy by dx. Now what is common from whole? Now without dy by dx term only 2, तो आप इनको उधर ले जाइए राइट में और यहाँ dy by dx का ग्रुप बनाइए माइनस एक्स कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर एक्स वाई dy by dx प्लस एक्स dy upon dx माइनस dy upon dx. ये जो नेगेटिव है इसको इधर लेंगे क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. ओके, और x dy by dx ये हमारा नेगेटिव था, पॉजिटिव, और प्लस y क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम लेफ्ट व्हाट इज कॉमन? dy by dx from each. If dy by dx is common, then minus x cosecant square xy plus x minus 1. Okay, and here y cosecant square xy minus y. Now this part in multiply, then in right side dy by dx is y cosecant square xy plus minus y upon this part, means minus x cosecant square xy plus x minus 1. This is the derivative of implicit function. Clear? Now next problem. Now we have y is equal to sine inverse x upon under the root 1 minus x square. We want to prove 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy is equal to 1. So from here dy by dx is, you can apply cosine rule, means denominator whole square denominator as it is and derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is derivative of denominator. Okay, so you can apply cosine rule. P by Q means either U by V. So dy by dx is 1 minus x square as it is, derivative of sine inverse x 1 upon 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x, derivative of under root x 1 upon 2 under root x, and derivative of 1 minus x square also, and divide by square root cancel 1 minus x square. Now here in divide इसका ट्रांसपोज करेंगे आप, किस में आ जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, now this part cancel. 1 minus sine inverse x to 1 minus x square. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of minus x square minus 2x. Now you know 2 cancel. So 1 minus x square dy by dx is minus plus x sine inverse x upon 1 minus x square. But we want to prove this in form of y. So you know it is the value of y, sine inverse x upon under the root 1 minus x square is value of y. So 1 minus x square dy by dx is 1 plus xy. बट आपको एक्स वाई कहाँ रखना है, लेफ्ट में, तो इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा ये नेगेटिव. सो आवर रिजल्ट इज 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर डी वाई बाई डी एक्स माइनस एक्स वाई 1. ओके, तो इट इज प्रूव्ड by using property of implicit function derivative. Now let us see next problem. Now our problem is if y is equal to under the root cos x plus again under the root cos x plus again under the root cos x plus up to infinity. Okay, and we need to prove dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2 pi. Okay, so dear students, if you know, I will write cos x plus, अगर मैं इसको छुपा लूं तो ये पोजीशन भी आपको किसके जैसे लगेगा, y तक, बिकॉज टर्म कहां तक जा रही है, इन्फिनिटी तक, uncountable. So if I will hide it, you can see this part is also equal to y. So we can write here y, because y is equal to under the root cos x plus again under the root. So we will suppose here y. Clear? Now you can differentiate y. Derivative of y is dy by dx, and you know derivative of under root x 1 by 2 under root x means cos x plus y. कौन सा ये, आप इसको fx की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, dy by dx of under root fx is 1 upon 2 under root fx into dy by dx of fx. Okay, so in the same way we have written here under root cos x plus y is 1 upon 2 under root cos x plus y and dy by dx of cos x plus y. So dy by dx 1 upon 2 is equal to y. Now derivative from here, derivative of cos x minus sin x, and derivative of y is dy upon dx. Derivative of y is dy upon dx. Now 2y in multiply, 2y dy by dx is minus sin x plus dy by dx. Now dy by dx in left, so that dy by dx all term together. So 2y dy upon dx convert into negative and is equal to minus sin x. Now what is common here? Dy upon dx. So 2y minus 1 is minus sin x. Okay, and the value of dy by dx is minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. But we want to prove that sin x upon 1 minus 2y. So our dy by dx is minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. We will take common from denominator as minus. So minus 1 is plus and plus 2y is minus. Minus minus cancel. So our dy by dx is sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Clear? So now you can solve such type problem up to infinity. You will put the repeated value as y. Clear? Now let us see next problem. Now dear students, y is equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus this part. So we will write y is equal to x plus, देखिए जो ब्लॉक आपका रिपीट होता है तो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक हम लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक इज x प्लस 1 अपॉन, यू कैन सी अगेन x स्टार्ट हो गया ना. अगर मैं इसको छुपा लूं तो सेम इज इक्वल टू क्या बनता है, ये y. क्या बनता है, y. ओके, नाउ y एज एलसीएम, y स्क्वायर xy plus 1. Now you can differentiate y square 2y, derivative of y dy by dx, and here product rule, x as it is dy by dx, y as it is derivative of x1 and 1 as 0. Now dy by dx in left side, so it is x dy by dx equal to y. What is common? dy by dx. So 2y minus x is equal to y, and dy by dx is y upon 2y minus x. Okay, clear? So my dear students, today we have solved some problem related to implicit function. Clear? So you will try exercise related to such type problem. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.